on Radio X, the alternative, and I'm your host, Sam.
І зараз ми будемо спробувати. Чомусь це повернув. І зараз повернув. І зараз повернув. Довбана клуб. Ну помогай что?
Brother, I have no beef with you. What the hell was that?
Я не заставляю свидетелей.
Hi. Hi, babe. K-Rose don't...
Сведок. Сведки нам не потребны. А что за машина? Нет, это некий клаб, не клаб. Что это за машина? Не пишут. А чему не пишут? Мне кажется, это не странно, что не пишут. Ну ладно. Всего 6 машин. Але я не ведаю их назву. Это была одна из их, напомню.
Hey, Carl! There's 2 cars on the list, they say, and they're in the showroom across town. Let's go get them.
I always admired your direct approach, hombre.
Okay, let's go get those wheels.
Что?
You bully.
I like this place, you know?
Вы так само в
San
шоце?
Fierro, man. My home will always be the Varios and El Corona. But this city, it has something gentle about it.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Kendall seems to like it too, you know?
Oh yeah, she's really getting her head into this business thing.
That's good. She always been the brains of the family. She should get out together and make something of herself.
I think she's aiming to make something out of all of us, eh?
Yeah, she the moms of the family now.
Hey, who's this Truth guy, Holmes? I don't think he's wrapped too tight.
He just sees everything from a different perspective, that's all. At first, I thought he was just another acid casualty fruitcake. But some of the things he say, I don't know, man. It ain't all bullshit.
Hey, you gonna become an alien hunter, Holmes?
I'll take a rain check on that one.
This is the place. Hey, man, the cars are upstairs.
Second floor? Shit.
А як я их сюда поставил?
Can I help you two, gentlemen?
Yeah, you can help us by going to help some other motherfucker.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
All right, CJ, it's time to roll. Let's follow the leader. You better keep up.
Ah, you a maniac, yes, say?
Sexual realignment used to require expensive surgery, months of hormone.
Hey, CJ, this fucking fucking working?
Yeah, reading you loud and clear.
Come on, CJ, see if you can keep up with Caesar Fiasco. Beat the tram up the hill.
See? Now I'm a woman, thanks to Rapidyne. This do-it-yourself sexual realignment kit includes everything you need to go from Brad to Brenda in a jet.
И на вот что было выпениваться.
Kidding yourself, Holmes.
Выпендриваться перед гэтым трамваем.
What took you, eh?
Rusty knife and tourniquet, 2 aspirins, and 47 pounds of
Oops.
estrogen. It's all you need. When it's time for a change, you want it fast. Rapidite, the do-it-yourself sexual realignment.
Hey, CJ, watch this. Nitro!
Не скончилося. Це ж вначале випив, а спочатку сам. Я так само спочатку вибив.
Okay, Caesar, that's enough fun. Let's get these cars back to the garage.
Okay, CJ, yeah, I know a quick route.
А Ян точно кажуть? Здається, у нього всього було 2 заряди. Нітри.
Holy shit! Fuck, man.
Can we think about getting back before I end up in a car wreck barbecue?
Sure thing, Holmes. There's a shortcut this way.
Здається, мені це ловушка.
Crap. Hey, back up, Holmes. Back up, back up.
В який бок поїдемо? Окей, поїхали. Больше нема нитри. Бля, долбаный.
Okay, we're good. See you back at the garage, CJ.
У меня больше нема нитри.
Yeah, I got it. It's in the manifold.
Shit, I just changed that seal. Must have got a crimp in it. Damn.
Hey, C's, your boy is here.
He ain't my boy.
Hey, we're almost living a normal life, huh? This is far from Grove Street, right?
Yeah, I know, but I just can't get it out the back of my mind. Mom, Sweet, Smoke. I just can't let that go.
I know. So what we gonna do about Sweet?
See, it's a shitty situation, but I gotta let it play out a little longer, okay?
Okay, but be careful. We ain't trying to lose you again.
That's right, sis. Good looking out.
Hey, Carl! I got a rap to you, Holmes. I know a guy who knows a guy who handles freight containers down on the docks. He saw one of the containers was loading up cars, and one was a match for a car on a customer's wish list. So he marked the container with a spray can, but it might be too late. The ship's loading and it moves out tomorrow.
Okay, let's go peep it out. See what we can see.
Ты мне разрешаешь паркировать твою машину? Завсёды в доке мы ездили так.
You know, the same way they got on. Use a dockside crane.
Man, those things are real high up. I ain't too good with ladders, and I'm afraid of heights.
Okay, I'll use the crane. You better be ready to crack the container.
Eric B and Rakim, I know you got soul. We got all the classic hip-hop together in one station right here. In fact, I don't even get paid to do this. I do it as a community service.
That's the ship, CJ.
Okay, I'll go sort out the crane. Give me a second.
Well, be quick. I don't want to be caught slipping out here.
Ну, чудовно.
on, man. Look out.
Ну ні. Серйозно?
Caesar, none of these is marked with spray paint.
Well, we'll just have to try one at a time, eh? Not this one, CJ! No luck, CJ. Try another.
No luck, CJ, try another.
Yeah, CJ. This is the one. Good work, Holmes.
Hey! What the fuck do you think you're doing?
CJ, I could do with some help.
Hey! Hold it right there.
I could do with a little help, CJ.
Stay right there, you thieving bastard.
Let's just get the car and get out of here.
Це не своїми пістолетами хотіли зробити
Gotta be an
невідомі.
easier way to earn a living than this.
Sure, Holmes. I guess. But what else you qualified for?
Yeah, I feel you.
No, it wasn't me. The love giant cannot fly. It just seems
Це було дренно.
right now. Here's something rare coming out your mouth. Something I'm about to do.
Hey, Holmes, that was fun. We should do that again.
А пам'ятаєш, ми чуть не померли? Да, треба повторити. Так, Патриот, Санчес, Стрец, Фельдшер, Реминсон, Буффало, Сентина, Инфернус, Кампу, Адмирал. Кампер. А где Кампер возьмем? Санчес палится. Буффало. Буффало я виду, где есть. Работа иди.
Hey, man, where you been?
I tracked one of the cars on our shopping list. But the crazy bitch, she drives like the devil. I've been following her for hours, but she stopped for nothing. You'd have to ram her off the road in order to get a chance to get her car, and you know a wrecked car is no good to us. I swear she's playing with me.
Dude, calm down. If she playing with you, then she probably won't get one time involved until it turn ugly. We gotta find a way to stop her or slow her down.
Too bad we can't involve the police. Cause then we could pop her crazy bitch tires and bang her crazy bitch ass in jail for being a danger to my sanity.
You know what? I think I got an idea.
Так, не вельмі зручно випускати шипи. Але ми все одно поспробуємо так. Так, я на автостраді. Ну чому ти повторюєшся? Ти що, регістратор треба був? Ти приховував шипи. Ти поїхав по шипам прям. Блин, я петляю як коллега и не видно, с какого боку я лепи обогнать. Где она увязалась?
How's it going with that crazy bitch, eh?
Popped her. Just about to fix the tire. Should be back any minute.
Okay, careful with that puncture repair shit. It's nasty stuff.
Will do. Later, man.
А все едут по шипам, им пофиг.
Man, stuff disgusting. Oh, shit. All over my clothes. Did you steal your license?
Это ж штрафом, звичайно. На 8 штрафом полно уходит. Кради любые. Их это не стратом. И я чогось не видел. Ну давай перекуримся зараз, если.
What do you call it? it when four guys are in a group and
Купол
only
в этой
one
хуйне
becomes
давненький.
famous.
New Jack Swing.
On CSR.
With a good voice and some music, you can sell anything. I really want to sing in that Celebrate with Cake commercial. It's always time to celebrate in my life.
Так, Санчес.
Sexual realignment used to require expensive surgery, months of hormone treatments, years of therapy, and you still ended up looking like a drag queen.
Бухта пасты. Easter Basin. Я думал, это восточный бассейн.
See?
А
Now
то
I'm
и
a
что же
woman
это?
thanks to Rapidyne. This do-it-yourself sexual realignment
Блин,
kit
зараз
includes
поглядим.
everything you need to go from Brad to Brenda in a jiff. It's just snip, chop, stuff, and swallow, and away
То
you
есть
go.
бухта
Do it in the
пасты.
bathroom and surprise your family with a new you. Comes
А я
with an
думал,
instructional video,
восточный.
rusty knife and
Кони.
tourniquet, 2 aspirins, and 47 pounds of estrogen. It's all...
Значит, я помылялся. Что там у списке там есть? Патриот, Судоуна, Стресс, Судоуна, Фельдсик, Судоуна, Ремингтон не ведаю, где мы возьмем. Сеншинал, Буффало, Инфернус, Кампер, Адмирал. Бля. Адмирал. Как я пам'ятав, що як адмірал виглядає. Був присім судовно.
Hi there.
Это навіть не кемпінг.
Hello, sweet lady.
I'm trying the ping pong diet.
Another time, perhaps. Excuse me, pal. Hey, you wasabi. Your stupid hoopy is making me late.
А в чому це був адмірал? Да чому ви всі туди поворачуєте? Вот это сейбр, это нас не текает. А это что? Джекспейс?
My bad, homie.
This is totally retarded.
Get in and take out the enemy.
Thank
Totally
you.
copped my ride.
Stop running.
I need your car, homie.
Show me what you got. At least you didn't get away from me.
Shit, I'm glad I don't pay no taxes.
Чего это адмирал?
Roll out of here now.
Это Вашингтон. Сенчина. Судовно. Ну вот ты не съехал. Ты не пошкодил машину, мне за нее меньше платят за это. Мне за нее повинны были шмат заплатить. Сентинел. Адмирал Инферно. Больше не памятаю ничего. Патриот. Патриот, Сентинел, Фельдсер, Ремингтон, Крэмпер, Инфернус, Буффало. Это Флиндеев, да?
Don't take this personal, but you getting jacked.
Гринвуд танк. Это не Сентинел. Не было. А ще одна не було. Було, не було.
Come on, put your foot down now, boy.
Так, не больше нескольких детей никогда тоже не потребно. Максимум вот что был адмирал, или я не помню. Это Бобкат. Еще один Бобкат. Антиклава. Это адмирал.
That's what's striking knockers. House is a movement that requires a leader. I am that leader. That is me. I am now your leader. Take me to your leader.
Он Ремингтон был.
Someone's breaking into your home. What do you do? Call 911? It takes the police an average of 35 minutes to respond to it.
Ну-ка, статистика. 8 жертв, макулатура 19 судей.
In that time, a burglar could have his way with your wife. Smoke a cigarette, flip her over, and go in for seconds. Don't let the worst happen to you. It is vital that you protect yourself. Do it the patriotic way.
That's right. Ammunition has all the equipment you need to protect your family from the evils of a liberal society. Fixed, mounted, and shoulder-held submachine guns, mortars, surface-to-air and all manner of heat-seeking missiles, and just make my day Mondays with 2 for 1.
Так, Кемпер Инфернус Буффало, Патриот, Стретч, Фельдшер Ремингтон, Стретч, Фельдшер Ремингтон, Патриот. Патриот, Стретч, Фельдшер Ремингтон, Патриот, Стретч, Фельдшер Ремингтон. Патриот. Стретч, Фельдшер Ремингтон. Фельдшер Ремингтон. Ремингтон я бачу только что. А я не упомню, что это был Ремингтон. Буффало. Инфернус. Есть машины тени? Нема машин.
Give me your whip, fool.
Стали он нам не цікаво.
Okay, okay, don't shoot me.
I'm going to terminate this chase at any cost, Perp. Yo, taxi! Come on, get a move on.
Ладно, бусхопастер это добрый. Давайте ей отвезем. И возьмем там Патриот.
Nice driving, man. Thanks.
Give me a break.
Нюхай дупу.
When you just can't be there in person. San Andreas, California. For those
Так, стречка, які ми тільки що бачили. Фельдшер Ремінгтон, Буффало, Інфернус Кампер. Буффало, Інфернус Кампер. Буффало, Інфернус Кампер. Кампер — это такий маленький фургончик, як у Прауди, так? Чи ні? Не вірю. Здається мені, що так. Ось это что за машина? Это Мунбим повинен быть, да? Бурито. Ах, это клевер, я не видел, что это. Sunrise.
What's wrong with you West Coast suckers there? You know, your woman's too skinny. Eat a hamburger, y'all. Nobody likes thin women. Skinny legs and all. Hey!
What can I say? I'm a bad man.
You could help me get over me, Hank.
I'm here to let you know, no longer will the roll last.
What's your problem?
Это будет, это не Фельдшер.
Now how all y'all doing out there this evening? Ready for some old school hip hop?
Chinatown. Хочу ведать, где Chinatown находится.
They're coming to save us. Please. These bastards are crazy up in here.
Ось тут максимум Фельдшер ездит. Нема Фельдшера. Это Ремингтон.
I'm having your ride, dear.
Yeah, that's shit. Have you
Нет, это эсперанто.
Yeah, it's the worst.
Обознался.
Careful, idiot! Hey, baby girl, where you going?
It's mine. Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Это так само аспиранта, да?
Who's on the line?
What up, dog?
Треба запомнить, что это аспирант. Ну, когда ты походи.
Don't make this any nastier, lady.
Кем-то мне подобно на такой машине. Але это аспирант.
Place is in such a state. You need some knowledge and slap upside your head.
Look, man, you think I'm gonna get
Вот это бой, это не Фильц. Я не ездить на Бойли, я не ездить на Фельдсере. Да. По 3 фары спереду, значит Фельдс. Не. На бусте МТБ. Блин, я переоделся очень постоянно. На коле загинул, все взорвал. Меня арестовали. Точно. Меня арестовали.
So what's up, sis? Cause it's the pretty young ladies that make me talk like this. Yes, I'm the godfather. I'm the godfather. They say that I'm an MC, some say that I'm a fool. I changed my style, people just didn't know it yet. I had to tell them, I might tell them, you mess with me and both.
Что там за машина была? Это не грузовик, а не то, який потрібен для імпорту. Ну-ка, статистика. Жир 0, Москва-Тор 19. Стритч-Фельдсер Ремингтон, Инфернус Буффало. Стритч-Фельдсер Ремингтон, Инфернус Буффало. Инфернус ведаете, Буффало не ведаете. Ремингтон не ведаете, не ведаю, як виглядає. Стритч Фельдсер не ведаєте, але ведаю, як виглядає. Судовно. Буффало ведаю, як приблизно виглядає. Ну, Ремингтон так само ведаю, як приблизно виглядає. Все, зараз знайдемо що-небудь.
Oh, you wanna fight, huh?
9 o'clock in the morning. What are all these people talking about inversion therapy, talking about face your fears. I got some therapy for you.
Стрит Буффало.
Pay attention, y'all. You have no idea what you're missing. I know
Стрит
you're gonna like this flavor.
Буффало.
Do yourself a favor. Sit down and listen. It's PE.
Инфернус.
What can I say? I'm a bad man.
What else?
Alright! You keep it locked on this station, honey, or your mama Mary Beth will give you a spanking that will knock you out of your boots. I've done it before.
Ремингтон.
Trust me, I have.
Ремингтон.
Avoid all trouble, shall we?
I need that core, lady.
Зустрілися 3 Буффало на свіжуванні.
What happens when you mix gospel, synthesizers, hands up, and a barbershop quartet with guns and drugs? Oh, say shut up!
Так, Стрит, я відаю, де стоїть. Коли кому-нибудь не треба буде, я обов'язково. Стрит, Фельдшер, Ремингтон, Инфернус. Инфернус так само приблизно ведаю, где стоит. Стрит, Фельдшер, Ремингтон, Инфернус. А вот Ремингтон придется шукать. Стрит, Фельдшер, Ремингтон.
Dude, wait!
Стрит, Фельдшер, Ремингтон. Инфернус.
I don't do taxi rides.
Pig 69. Стрит, Фельдшер, Ремингтон. Это бой.
I come to America to bring the love from Europe. I am creating a scene here. It is very important. It is my sculpture in you.
Стрит, Фельдшер, Ремингтон.
Circus is a weekend, and you always end up dancing till you cry. Todd Terry, weekend.
Ну чому зараз? Чого там 100 метрів до кропки заставалося? Ну це серйозно. 100 метрів до пункту заставалося. Ну доплатили за то, что я ее подожду. Вот что мне не подобает.
For everyone who's still in bed, I am so hot for you right now.
Встреча Фельдшер Инферно. Правильно? Правильно. Встреча Фельдшер Инферно. Авторитет низкий. Когда у вас стоите Ремингтон. Прямо колях это же самое.
I'm having this car.
Ну как совершенно так, это нормально. Так, стретч Фельдшер Инферно. Может там можно будет стретч взять.
That was Maceo and Max, and I'm just getting warmed up. We're about to take it into the second quarter, and I got my playbook and some hand signals that's gonna make you crazy, girl. You gonna need some therapy when I'm done with you.
Прикололись.
I teach you how to talk in just a second. You be quiet. Cállate. Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen. It is so good to teach you about love. So in your car, touch yourself and love you all. Christy, I will be out in 5. Wear something slinky but sophisticated and trashy. Your heart is no longer lonely. Fernando has been here. This was lonely heart.
Остальным застался Фельдшер и Инферно.
Oh my god. Was that Bush Cologne?
Yes, that is Bush Cologne. You like them? And do you like
А я поверил там.
This is Fernando's signature.
Вот место шма. Место шма.
Let me see that. I love
Поворачивай не хочешь.
so juicy.
That was Lonely Hearts.
Инфернус Фильтр. Садовый.
My bad, but you getting jacked, woman.
If I had a man, you would be sorry.
Инфернус Фильтр.
This is my brand new ride, man.
То есть такое такси подавай.
At last I got you, you shit.
I don't want y'all doing nothing funny to me at the station.
Я не знал, вменили мне денег, да? Ну ладно. Нерухомость набыта. Та-да-да-да-да-да. But to begin, just like that. Ready for that? Be bonjour. Do do do. Do do do. Так, нам потрібен фільтр TNT Infernus.
Gotta get to campus.
Так, небоскреб. Магачосу. Ага. Я почти прячуся за гэтым самым Клокенбеллом. Багуліна нейкая была ў вексе показана.
I'm kind of broke, but here you go anyway.
Так, не Инфернус, не Фильтр. Бургер что? Мускулатура маль на нули. Тут можно встретить что-то самое. Это что? На читу подобно, или это не чита? Это пиашка.
I have an important business meeting. What's your problem?
Блин, не инфигнуса них этого не бот. Не.
Right here is fine.
Shut up and drive.
Ah, screw you!
Ах, отель Ван Фо. Я туда поехать. Я не верю.
Rakim and Eric B, what a double act, like gin and tonic, like burger and cheese, like forthright and philosophy. All the way from Wimbledon in South London, the slickest of them all, only on playback.
Куда надо часовые киловатт и машины шукать?
Because Slick Rick has a little star for you. Rick the ruler crumbs.
Ну что фельдшеры Максима ездят?
I'll pay you, but I won't tip you.
Ну а я тебе в каву плюнул. Что?
Let's get this stepping, shall we?
Бля. Это было...
Just in the nick of time. Take the safest route possible.
Давайте попробуем проехать прямо у концерта. Угу. Типа проеду я там как-нибудь. Нет, не проеду. Сюда. Я поспею до первых.
Here's a little extra something for you.
Come on, buddy, let's get it moving.
А может там сверху снизу? Сдается, что снизу. Там Инфернусы ездят. І фельдшери Максима так само. Листочки. Ниже.
Here's a little extra on me.
I need to get across town.
Угу.
The id, the ego, and now the X. Finally, there's an alternative. Radio X. The real-life fictional drama in lives behind the law in the show that is making America cry.
These IF-75s are a mess, and we're already 3 months late with the UCC addendum after we lost the 8th Circuit paperwork the first time around. Jeez.
Ну ты козлина, конечно, убил меня далек.
They play hard and they work hard, really hard. Catch it Thursdays on Weasel before it catches you.
Great job, son.
Это ж Хансен Ролл. Ореховая пончики туфа. Что это за храма такая? Ореховая пончики туфа. Так далеко. Не, будет машины я так просто бачу в городе. Ездили. Фельдшер вот возле моего гаража ездил.
Go ahead and keep the change.
Me.
I don't do taxi drivers.
Мост ниже. Який там мост не видно. Но крив. Я помолился. Нет, когда приеду сюда, я им по маршрутам поехал. Я 1000 пассажиров провез. И не бачил ни Фирмуса, ни Фельдшера. Без комментариев.
You're listening to CSR, girl. But I ain't too proud to brag, girl. Please, girl. I'll do anything for you.
Hello?
Hi, is Mark there? It's me, Shannon. We met at Jack's party.
Yeah, how can I forget? Wow, how you doing? I haven't heard from you in,
9 months.
Hey, what's...
Some moments change your life. Sitting on his telephone for those difficult conversations.
И остался только Инферно. Ура!
I'm having that.
Forthright MC right here up in the house. Yo, I hope you enjoyed that, you suckers. What this world needs is more money and more girls in the role playing games and comic books. Homegirls flee from our crib. Guess what? I don't give a damn. I'm all about the hip hop.
We ain't saying we're doper than anyone else. You suckers ain't shit. Well, wait a minute. Maybe we are. This is Playback.
Get out the rob.
I ain't never been alone in New York City. I ain't never been east of the Mississippi. Ain't for me. I'm a lady, not a whore.
Let's be honest about things for a second. Really honest. You came out to the West Coast to get away.
Buddy, I'm running late. Hit it.
Let's face it, the Midwest is full of retards. That's why we've got the fastest growing
So
population, a
cool.
massive economy, and absolutely no history or culture. You used to be a dork, but you moved here, and suddenly you're cool. San Andreas is a land where you can be who you want to be. Change your name. Come out. Lie about your age. Form your own religion. Call yourself an actor and wait tables. It just doesn't matter out here. Everybody's at it. Until the awful moment old friends or family come to visit. Janice understands. Maybe it's time to change your identity. Don't let bad memories blow your cover. We'll teach you all the things you need to alienate your family quick.
Здесь инферно какие-нибудь.
Select from a list of weird religions that involve burning things, singing children's songs backwards, and loads of television worship. We'll select a member of another race or life form for you to claim as your soulmate, and your dietary habits will go Pacific too. People come to San Andreas to escape their past. We'll help you lose contact with friends and family fast. Janice, it's time to invent the new you.
This song is so cute.
Mamas, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys.
You let your babies grow up to be cowboys. They'll have fantasies that involve tractors, a ham, and a pair of twins.
Asshole!
Your ex-husband, Oliver.
Mamas,
A little extra, Holmes.
don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys.
You a funny guy, huh?
Let's not get off focus here, all right?
He'd rather give you a song than silver or gold. Button winds and buckles and soft faded wranglers, and each night begins a new day. If you can't understand him, he don't die young. He'll probably
Here, keep the
just
change.
ride away.
Здесь инферно какие-нибудь.
Drive, Holmes!
Стадион. Стадион.
Make 'em be doctors and lawyers and such. Mamas, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys. They'll never stay home and they're always alone, even with someone they love. A cowboy loves smoky old pool rooms and clear mountain mornings. Little warm puppies and children, girls of the night. Them that don't know him won't like him, and them
Еще один фильтр. И Блейд. Напевно, Блейд.
he ain't wrong, he's just different, and his pride
You deserve a
won't let him
propina.
do things
Drive
to
by the
make
pump.
he's right. Mamas, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys.
Get going, asshole! I don't have all day!
Don't let them pick guitars and drive old trucks. Make them be doctors and lawyers and such. Mamas, don't
Это был Фок.
Anyone knows how to pull out his pistol, but it takes a cowboy to know when to shoot. K-Rose.
Got a little fog on the horizon, so cuddle up to something warm and pray you don't make a mistake. I did once and gave birth to a centaur. Eddie Rabbit up next, people. This song reminds me of the truck stop off of 70 in Columbia, Missouri.
Блин, а когда того бургера так само был фейнспреем. Лепее было там заехать. Вон.
Showers wash all my cares away. I wake up to a sunny day 'cause I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a
Look where you going!
Ándale, I got my mocha waiting for me.
Где нового? Вишня Ломбард-стрит это называется, Вишня Сикфонтейн.
Hey, you drive good, gracias.
Это пол. Аэропорт. Аэропорт это вельми далеко.
I also love a rainy night. Great for disposing of things and nobody seeing anything. Everything washed away, including my conscience and all the evidence.
My car!
San Andreas just can't get enough of the Glory Hole theme park. It's the place for magic and adventure. We all like speaking rodents to entertain and educate our kids, and now with Jerry Gerbil, the kids have someone they can really relate to.
Now, if y'all was asleep at the wheel, that was brand new.
Ты напиши Кэттенфиль на стене. В аэропорт она хотела ехать. А? Шукай дурня. У нас новый спис. Свамван, Блистер Компакт, Стаффорд, Сейбр. Сейбр, ага. FCR 900 не ведаете взять. Чита, Ранчер, Сталион. Танкер, Комет. Чита, Ранчер, Сталион. Чита, Ранчер, Сталион. Комет, Блейд. Блейд, не Блейд. Блейд. Не Сейбр. Сейбр и Блейд. Блин, я не помню, что там было. Сейбр и Блейд. Чита. Чита в гараже стоит.
I know it seems bad, but it could be worse. What can I say? I'm a bad man.
From Peru to
I'm having this fight.
И собі нормальний бой. Куди зникло моє таксі?
I need your car, homie.
Где офицер 908, не видно. Я наболел гнеси в это. Хіба он медний, хіба ли мені все 900, так? Swamp, Stafford, Saber, Saber не будет, Saber. Фисяк, Чита, Генчик, Сталион, Танки, Комикс. Ну там войнганик стоит. Комит. Готовый нема, треба поесть.
Irrigation, the colonic variety.
Stay on the runway, bozo!
Let's go to the phones. Who's on the phones?
Блин, не видите, где 900 искать.
Hey, dude, let's get out of here!
Ну, конечно, 900. Он что ехал? Я что пошел?
You ain't gonna cry now, are you?
400.
Did you enjoy the Boy Scouts? Alrighty then, take care.
Oh, I love that song. I love. So let's keep it loving.
Loving you,
'cause you my bitch.
And that's the master sounds right here. And it's the Love Giant.
Только оттуда.
Doing it.
Мало тебе туда ехать.
Whenever JP ain't feeling quite like the champ, I put on this here. This is Bob James coming at you, not less.
Hey, you done good. What you doing later?
One.
I need to get across town.
Дякую за чаєві. Ну, миссия зламалась. Это больше миссия зламалась. Сколько это за машину? Дуренько. Какой-то букальник. Где мы это все? Нико. Так синему. Поесть и треба.
I don't want to know a thing about you.
Look where you go!
I've got a meeting across town.
As you dance. As a certain groove that makes you body. You need to move.
Молодцов.
Perfect.
This is acid.
Бывает, ставлю, потом сказал.
Look out!
Rise, mister.
Да, 900 мотоцикл мне, конечно, все подпортил. Но я не видаю, что есть на новуху в этом городе. Это было треба было после миссии Тибол Мендес сохранить, напевно.
Hey, right on time.
Come on, man, move it.
Библиотека, я не виду, где есть библиотека. Сталин он был.
Ah,
communing with you through the medium of dance. I am an alien, and you are a headset. When your doors look back on your life, you will remember my fantastic transitions. This is pumping. Commander coming at you, yeah.
Hurry up, Eva!
Мне что странное было.
Good to see you.
Move it, honey.
Раньше чуть стоять в моем гараже. Тебе 600, да?
I'm having that bite.
Надежда на 900. Может, буде ездить коли-нибудь? Так, Swamp Starfact Saber. 5900 комет танки Ranger Triton. Комет танки Ranger Triton. Swamp PCR. Swamp PCR Saber. Комет танки Ranger Triton.
Head and go.
Flying or just dumb?
You just made your coffee. Where do you come from?
Since I was realized the size is too large. When I come through, I'm pulling more cruise cars. I'll be like a correct on a gangsta tip. And since you front, we're gonna bust your shit,
Пицца, что ли, лямейку? Что это такое? Пицца, что ли, лямейку? Да, мотоцикл был.
this is just the beginning. Nighttime is the right time for criminal behavior on
Не уполнен. Stafford Salvan, CFR, Tanker, Comet, Range Retreater. Stafford Salvan, CFR, Comet, Range Retreater. Саламан, короче, кажется, не знаю, короче. Stafford відео, Comet відео, PCR не відео. Чи-то Ranger в гараже стоїть, танки, треба їхати за город.
You like what you see?
Come on, get out the core.
Да, будем искать в это мотоцикл до позеленения.
You're locked on playback, keeping it honest, keeping it real, telling y'all exactly how it is.
You had this coming, you double bagger!
Another wonderful day of San Andreas pollution for all you people to enjoy. On with the classic rock and roll.
Don't have all day here, snailhead. Don't insult me, that's for you.
No idea. А що ззаді у нас? Ззаду.
You're not a government agent, are you?
Тобі був день подиматися вгору? Давай потратим на этот час. Не, я заеду.
Damn!
Вон они, мол.
Carajo, taxi! Step on it! The Colito is waiting!
Ну, куда ему треба, я не прочитал. Стадион.
Big bolas! Keep the change.